Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So recently I have purchased a lot of jewelry from Urbanic. So in today's video I will show you what all jewelry I got. If you want to know what all I got, then keep on watching. So talking about packaging, this is how Urbanic pack their jewelry in this kind of Ziploc packets. For your reference, I will put all the prices in the description box and also on the screen. The first jewelry, which is this chain that comes with this half moon pendant, and this is like a very cute neck piece. This is how it looks. टॉकिंग अबाउट क्वालिटी, सो क्वालिटी कुछ इतनी खास नहीं है बिकॉज मैंने इसको एक बार पहना है और ये हल्का हल्का सा रस्ट होना शुरू भी हो गया है. सो आई डोंट थिंक ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तक चलेगा. On to the second jewelry piece, which is also a chain. This is how it looks. This is open from the front and I will show you that how we have to wear this. And this is also like a very versatile piece. You can definitely wear this kind of chains with your v-neck tops and it will look extremely put together. On to the third jewelry piece, which is this pack of 5 bracelet set. I'll show you all one by one. So first is this bangle with oval shape. Second one is a plain gold bangle. Then third bangle comes with this leaf, and fourth is this bracelet which we have to like tie around, and this have like leaves. And finally the fifth one is something like this. Moving on to the fourth jewelry piece, which is also a bracelet set, and it has like 5 different bracelets. I'll show you all. So first is this chain bracelet, which is again very cute. Second one is this gold bracelet, which is like a flat wire of gold. Third is this studded bracelet that can also like go very well with your Indian attires. Fourth is this plain golden chain. And finally the fifth one is also like a gold chain. Fifth jewelry set, which is this set of 3 rings, 3 gold rings basically. How all the 3 rings looks like. Sixth jewelry set is also a set of 3 gold rings. This is how it looks. I will show you the close-up of all the 3 rings. So this is how it looks. Finally coming on to the last and the 7th jewelry set, which is also a ring set, and it has like 6 rings. I will show you all. So this is how all the rings look like. It also have like one evil eye ring which looks super cute. So guys, this was all about Urbanic jewelry haul. I hope you like this video, and also you can comment down below and tell me if you want कि मैं Urbanic का clothing haul भी करूँ. Then I will definitely do it for you guys. Guys, do subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle here on the screen. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.